Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to clear cache on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now you are on the home page. As you see, you will find these three lines up here. Click on it and then go to the settings, and now as you see here you will find clear cache. Click on it, and now in this one right here, click on it like this, and the clear cache will be cleared. So that's it. That's how to clear cache on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.